Good morning, Calgary Special School. Mr. Patrick here just to talk to you guys a little bit about simple addition. So during class, a lot of the students have been practicing their simple addition, and we are trying to use some more scaffolding to help them visualize this process. So something we're going to use today, very, very simple, is our 10 frame. This really helps with visualizing the counting strategy, but also for place value later on. So we've just got two very, very simple sums here. 4, and we're going to add 3 more onto that. So if you have counters at home, that's fantastic. If not, I'm just going to use a marker. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to add 3 more. So I'm going to write 3 in red like I have on the board here. 1, 2, 3. It's important that we always work from left to right, okay, and then back down when we get to the end of the 5. So for kids, so we already know we have 4, so we're going to use the strategy of counting on. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, well done. 4 and 3 more equals 7. So that's a very easy way just to practice, but it's also easy for the kids to visualize also. They may want to count 1 to 1 for our earlier learners, but ones that have started to develop these strategies, they can practice counting on without counters or just our dots here. So we might do 1 more. 5. So we've got our 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the 5 counters there. And again, in our red pen, we're going to add 1 more. Okay. So I hope everyone's counting along at home. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we have 5. And we're just going to add 1 more. 5, 6. Excellent. So this is when we're working within 1 to 10, this is a great way for the students to visualize what that quantity looks like. But once we start using bigger numbers, 2-digit numbers, and we need to carry from our 1s to our 10s, they're able to visualize how many 10s that they have when they're adding them all together. I hope this is a quick, helpful tip for you guys at home, and I hope you're getting plenty of maths practice in. Cheers.